Here today, Denton, Texas, Denton Civic Center, getting ready for tonight's show. Urban Mystic, TK Soul, Ions featuring Can You See. We got Bobby there on sound, one of the engineers. Got one of the roadies here helping my drummer Dana up on the stage, bringing in the drum set. Got DeMarcus Jones over here working with Urban Mystic's road manager back here. This Urban back here with the hat on. What's up, Tony Smith? Can I get a wave, Tony Smith? We got Tony Smith right there. One of the other engineers. We got three of them here. There's our bass player right there, Mr. Chris Carr. I already got you. See, you were first. I got the mother. I got the mother brother second.
Happy Father's Day to all that apply.
All right.